Assalamu alaikum snipers. I hope everyone is doing good out there. All right, a very quick Bitcoin update. Okay, everyone already know that yesterday we had this very big candle based on fake news, which originated from Cointelegraph tweet, and eventually they deleted the tweet and said that this was posted by a mistake. I do not agree with that uh, message or that apology, but it is what it is, and that's why we call it unregulated market, because you can break news anytime, any news, and it can be anything, and you are not held responsible for that, for its aftermaths. But anyways, let me explain you the current situation that is going on with Bitcoin very quickly, very precisely, in a very easy manner. There are two things that are fundamentally affecting Bitcoin price. One is war and one is spot ETF, right? The war is pulling Bitcoin price down whenever you see uh, ex- exaggeration, or whenever the war thing excels, they tend to affect market negatively. And on the other side, we have spot ETF, which are apparently going to be approved sooner or later, and their impact on Bitcoin is on the upside. Yesterday, the fake news caused this movement, but eventually it came down. And whenever there is a real news, whenever there is a real approval from Securities and Exchange Commission, then it won't be this much small. It will be very huge upside move, because one thing you need to understand is that there are very less fundamentals involved in Bitcoin. Yes, there are sometimes news, but news is not fundamental. In case of spot ETF, it has both things: fundamental plus news. The news is only the part that is, it's been approved or rejected. Only this part is concerned with the news, while the original fundamental lies in the approval of the real approval or the real rejection of spot ETF. Okay, what happens, you need to understand that when there are strong fundamentals attached to some asset, whether it's going to take it to upside or downside, it's very less seen, or it's become very less predictable from charts, because fundamental drives adoption or rejection of certain assets. So uh, I, 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 I talk very less about fundamentals, because most of the time the fundamentals are fundamental and news. Both of the things are missing from Bitcoin. But right now, the Bitcoin is over occupied by fundamentals and news, you can say. Okay, so what I think right now, what's happening is that after this fake tweet, and this fake tweet was sponsored by some influential peoples out there who are trying to get their spot ETF approved. This fake tweet, instead of ending up here or ending up red, it closed quite up, right? Almost near the highs. So right now it has changed everything. While on the sentiment side, if you go to Twitter, or you do go to other groups, or you do go to social media or YouTube, you will see now the people who were bullish have turned into bearish, and those who were neutral are now fearful. The shorts are gone with this up move. And one more thing I need to show you is that if you remove this, if you remove this and go to spot, then you will see spot has less upside than futures. So shorts are gone. Shorts have been liquidated. Around 70 million shorts have been liquidated yesterday. But That was not, but I believe that this was not only just to take out the shots and turn around and go the other way. Now I think that they want to take price up and eventually into this high around 31,500. The price is holding up good. All that fake tweet thing is gone, and now I think it will start marching upwards because longs are not there. They are fearful. People are very terrified in taking longs. I get to know this because on daily basis I communicate with so many people on social media, on chat groups, on WhatsApp and Twitter and Facebook. So they are fearful. So many people are waiting on sideline. Even the largest traders who trade above $1 million capital, they are also confused. Few of them that I know personally took a hit yesterday and closed their position in loss, and they are also in a doubt because of this week. Charts are messed up, and what I am seeing from charts and all those fundamentals and everything combined, what I see is that it will keep on marching. Now one more thing, there are so many people who are saying that now price won't go above this high, and they are not even interested in taking longs. What people are asking me is that where to short, when to short, should we short? So from the sentiment side, along with the fundamental, along with the charts on weekly and on monthly, I see we are heading up above this high, somewhere into this range. So roughly 31,500 you can keep in mind, or maybe this high 31,800. That's the rough estimate of up move. And I don't think that now, with all these changes in the market, it will go down. I think it will go up. And when strong fundamentals are attached, do not rely completely on charts or completely on analysis, because one bad thing, one massive thing, let's suppose price reaches up here and ETFs got actually rejected, you know, then it won't matter that if charts are saying it will keep on going up, it will definitely come down, right? So when there are fundamentals, please give some significance to those news and fundamental things also, because they really matter. Actually they matter. The charts come on a second place. The first thing is fundamental. The or what do you call it, its elevated thing is the news, and then comes the chart. All right, take care. Allah Hafiz.